Croy with Asiet Air in Lubbock, Texas. Our website is www.justgoodcleanair.com. Today we would like you to see the 7710 PCO photocatalytic oxidation unit, which will purify the air in a building. This machine is precision engineered medical grade stainless steel with plasma cutter precision. It has stainless steel wheels welded to the frame. Under the frame there is a chase that you can see right here, about a 2-inch chase where all the electronics to the machine set, and that protects all electronical engineers of the machine from the UV light rays that can over time cause damage to those components, but with this machine that will not happen. The power to the machine is plugged in with a 10 gauge wire right here, and you plug the machine in and you have power to the machine. We have a 10 amp fuse here in case you have a power surge. It will protect the electronic equipment that's held in the chase. You can change the fuse. We have a buffer here, it looks like a handle, that is also designed to protect the electronic switches on that end of the machine, so you bang it against the wall, it won't damage them. The on-off switch is a red switch right in the middle of the handle. You turn the switch on, the machine has power as long as it's plugged in and the door is closed. Next to that is a black switch that has 4 levels. It's a 4-cycle, 4-phase, 1/2 horse electric motor. If one phase burns out, you haven't lost the machine. Just flip the switch and you have a new motor. You can do that 4 times, 3 times, and then at that point, you'll have to replace the motor.
The wheel on the unit is stainless steel formed solid material, and it is welded to the stainless steel frame here for longevity. This wheel will last for years, and there's a very easy way to move the machine. This wheel can also be removed from the machine if you want to take the machine and hang it at a higher elevation, like in a kennel or something, for permanent installation. But that's the way the wheels are attached to the machine.
To access the machine for maintenance, we have handles and locks here. They have their own key. Each one of them are keyed the same. All machines are keyed the same. So this machine can be locked once it's put into service, so unapproved people cannot open this panel. Only approved people that have the key can access into the inside of the machine. This panel should not be removed unless the electrical power is removed from the machine. For your safety, you have goggles on for eye protection, and you do not operate this machine at any time in the presence of chlorine. To gain access to the machine for maintenance, we have 2 handles here that simply pull out, and the machine slides open with little grooves on the bottom, and you can see the internal components of the machine. Okay, when you look at how we clean the particulate matter and the hazardous VOCs, bacteria, viruses that are floating in the air, they will be pulled into the machine from this end. It will first hit a 2-inch Mervate filter. That 2-inch Mervate filter is a filter that's designed to collect the dust and liquid particulate that may be floating in the air to keep these pads active and dry. Once the particulate, the bacteria, the virus, the VOC enters this first reactor pad, it will enter this chamber where we have a UV light that is reacting off the front of this pad and the back of this pad, and it will turn, because of OH radical activity, that particulate to ash, and it will be collected on the front of this pad. If that particulate happens to get through this pad, it will again enter another pad where it hits a UV light and the OH radical hits again and turns what is remaining into ash to be collected on this pad. Any other particulate that may clear that third pad enters here, hits the UV light, and again the OH radical activity will turn that particulate to ash, and it will be collected in this pad. Should it ever happen to clear this pad, you again have an OH radical reactor here that will turn it to ash and be collected on the front of this pad, and then it will exit the machine as 99.99% clean air. This machine will perform 6 cycles in 1 hour on a 6,000 foot building. So it's going to clean the air. If it doesn't get it the first hour, it'll probably get it the second. You can see when I opened the door, the machine was running. It automatically shut off because of our kill switch that we talked about earlier. That's why we recommend you put the doors on it, you lock it. This is for your safety. Be sure you wear eye protection and gloves, and don't use it around chlorine. This is for your protection, and that's why it's built this way. I'm going to reinstall this door and turn it back on. You can hear the noise level of the machine. That's as loud as it gets. That is Asiet Air from Lubbock, Texas' presentation on the 7710 model. Please go to our website, search what machines are out there. We have multiple machines. This is the large one, do 5,000 square feet. You may not need that big one. You may need a larger one. There are multiple choices. Please contact us on our website. You can go to the machine, write us a little email on there, or you can give us a call, and we'll get right back with you. Thank you for watching.